Today I am reviewing the Sensibo Sky. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to making older air conditioning systems smarter without replacing them entirely, the Sensibo Sky Smart Wireless Air Conditioner Controller offers a very practical and cost-effective solution. Instead of buying a brand new smart AC unit, this device upgrades your existing air conditioner and turns it into a fully connected smart home system. Right from the beginning, what makes the Sensibo Sky stand out is its simplicity. It is designed to work with almost any remote-controlled air conditioner, including window units, mini splits, ductless systems, portable ACs, and even heat pumps. This wide compatibility makes it a flexible option for many different home setups. Installation is one of its strongest points. The setup process is extremely straightforward and does not require any technical expertise. You simply plug in the device, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and pair it with a mobile app. Within minutes, your regular air conditioner becomes a smart, connected device that you can control from anywhere in the world. Once set up, the Sensibo Sky transforms how you interact with your cooling system. Instead of relying on traditional remotes, you can control everything directly from your smartphone using the Sensibo app. Whether you're at home, at work, or even traveling, you can turn your AC on or off, adjust the temperature, or set schedules remotely. One of the most powerful features of this device is its energy-saving capability. According to the system design, it can help reduce cooling costs by up to 40% by optimizing how and when your air conditioner runs. This is achieved through smart automation features that ensure your AC only runs when needed, rather than continuously wasting energy. A key feature behind this efficiency is geofencing. With geofencing enabled, your air conditioner can automatically turn on when you're approaching home and turn off when everyone leaves. This means you never waste energy cooling an empty house, while still ensuring your home is comfortable when you arrive. Another advanced feature is Climate React. This system continuously monitors both temperature and humidity to maintain a more accurate real feel comfort level. Instead of just reacting to temperature alone, it adjusts your air conditioner based on overall comfort conditions, preventing rooms from feeling too hot or too cold at any time. The Sensibo Sky also supports full scheduling capabilities. You can create a 7-day weekly schedule, customize temperature settings for different times of day, and even create conditional automation rules. This level of control is especially useful for people with consistent routines or varying comfort needs throughout the day. Voice control is another major advantage. The device integrates seamlessly with smart home ecosystems including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple Siri. This means you can control your air conditioner using simple voice commands like adjusting temperature or turning the system on and off without touching your phone. In terms of usability, the app is well designed and available for both Android and iOS devices, as well as web access for PC and Mac users. This allows you to manage your home climate from virtually any device, giving you complete flexibility and control. The physical device itself is compact and minimalistic, designed to be mounted discreetly on a wall without drawing attention. Its small size makes it easy to place near your air conditioner without cluttering your space. One of the biggest advantages of the Sensibo Sky is that it does not require replacing your existing air conditioning system. This makes it a cost-effective smart home upgrade, especially for users who already have functional AC units but want modern smart features like automation, remote control, and energy optimization. From a real-world perspective, the convenience factor is where this product really shines. Being able to pre-cool your home before you arrive, or automatically adjust settings based on your presence, adds a layer of comfort that traditional air conditioning systems simply do not offer. It is also worth noting that Sensibo positions itself as a long-term smart climate solution. The company focuses on reliability, continuous software updates, and customer support to ensure consistent performance over time. Of course, like any smart home device, its performance depends on a stable Wi-Fi connection and proper placement near the AC unit. But once properly installed, it runs quietly in the background, automating your cooling system without requiring constant attention. Overall, the Sensibo Sky Smart AC Controller is a highly practical upgrade for anyone looking to modernize their air conditioning system. It combines smart automation, energy efficiency, remote control, and voice assistant integration into a simple plug-and-play device. If you want to reduce energy costs, improve home comfort, and bring smart control to your existing air conditioner without replacing it, this device offers a very effective and user-friendly solution.